video I'll be showing you how to replace your pressure cooker gasket, or also known as cooker rubber. So for today's demo, we are using TTK Prestige Popular 2 liters outer lid pressure cooker. In case if you have no idea about how much capacity does your cooker belongs to, please check the bottom of your cooker where you can find all the details about brand, model and capacity of your cooker. So the second step will be to measure your diameter for your gasket. So for that, take out your vessel gently and keep it aside, and open the lid and keep it aside. Now take a measuring scale or a measuring tape to measure the diameter. So today I'll be using a measuring tape. So place the tape at one end of your cooker and calculate the outer diameter of your gasket. And for inner diameter, place the tape inside the cooker and take the inner diameter for your gasket. Once you have got the perfect dimensions, you can place a gasket which is perfectly suitable for your cooker. So now we have already our replacement gasket. So now we are going to replace the gasket with the new one. So take your cooker lid, take out your old gasket and keep it aside, and make sure that your lid is completely clean without any food particles. Now take your new gasket, wash it thoroughly and keep it clean and dry. So now let's fit it in. So now it's fitted perfectly. Now let's cross check it once by fitting it with our pressure cooker. So yes, it has perfectly fitted. Please make sure to change your gaskets every 6 months.